dolls, welcome back to Exclusive D. How you dolls doing today? So let's get into the video. So this wig is from ATOZWIG. I think it's A to Z Wigs or ATOZWIGs, but I'm just showing y'all it comes in this cute little pink little baggie. It comes with a net. This is a see-through net. Also come with the stock card. This is my first time seeing them having a stock card, so congratulations to them for getting a stock card and showing you the different wigs they have. And just to let y'all know, this wig is from Amazon, so they are located in Amazon. So the hair does come in this net, and I'm just showing y'all it's long as hell. Look how long this hair is. Oh my gosh, y'all, this hair is super long. Goodness gracious. So the wig has 3 combs inside. As you can see, it's like in the middle of the head, and this is the parting. I'm just showing y'all how the parting look. It's like 6, I think this is a 13x6 wig. So it does have adjustable straps, so you can adjust it to your size of head, and it is big head friendly. I had plenty of room after I installed this wig, so this wig fit any head size. You are Gucci. So this is the lace. I'm just showing you how natural the hairline looks. They really pluck it really well. And here's the inside. It has so much room to part, y'all. So I want to show you how the wig looks like. So this is how the hairline looks like. I just want to show y'all. I did thin this wig out. Like, I took so much hair out. Y'all, if y'all saw in the beginning, the wig was super thick. I haven't strained it, but I just want to show y'all after I thin out how the difference looked like. This wig was super thick. And I did rip a hole in the hairline. If y'all can see, I ripped a hole. I was trying to pluck in. I ripped a big old hole, but whatever. It's not like I'm gonna really wear this wig anywhere. I probably wear it one time once. But let me show you how much hair I took out this hair, because this hair is super thick. So let me show y'all. I took this much hair out. This hair is so thick. I took tracks out. I cut it. I pulled so much hair out. This is how much hair I took out. I took so much hair out, y'all, because it was too thick for my liking. This is the Got to Be Free spray in the yellow bottle. I mean the yellow spray bottle, and then I used the Got to Be gel bottle to lay my wigs down, and I put the scarf on. I didn't cut the lace off yet because I want to make sure it's dry really well. Then I'll go ahead and cut the lace off. Like I said, I haven't straightened this wig out, and I'm gonna straighten it out now while this is drying, and we'll go from there. And if you see me straighten it out and you see some little short pieces, that's where I had cut all that hair out of, because boy oh boy, yeah. So it's taking heat, which is good. Yes. Whew. Oh, it looks soft that I straightened it. Look, compared to this and this, look how soft it is. Let me finish straightening it, and then I'll be back. I gotta go in and straighten that part out because I didn't get to do that too good. But damn, y'all. Sheesh. Wow. Oh my god. So I'm all done with this hairstyle. This was fun to do. At first I was really scared because, you know, it's 613 hair, but this hair was so fun to do. I had so much fun with this hair. Like, doing this hair was pretty fun. Usually I don't be really excited about doing hair, but this hair, I really have fun with this hair. This was fun to do. I first took it out the package, y'all. And anybody that did a review on this hair, or anybody that got this hair before, y'all already know. When you first take it out of the package, I was shook. Like, I FaceTimed someone, and I was like, oh my god, this hair is so blonde. Like, instantly I'm like, I'm gonna cut into a bob. Like, I was thinking about cutting into a bob, but then I'm like, you know what, it's really pretty. Like, the blonde is very, very pretty. Like, it takes some work to get it to look good, like, because I feel like when it comes to blonde hair, it has to look natural as possible, because, you know, we're darker, like, it's my skin tone. It has to look as natural as possible to make it look good. Period. Pinterest. If you are some girls like me, I go on Instagram, Pinterest. I look at other girls, how they wear their hair, and I see a lot of dark skinned girls, like my color, darker, you know, rocking this hair, and I'm like, I could rock this hair. So I was like, I had a game plan. I thinned the hair out, cut some tracks out, did a lot of work to this hair. Then I strained it. When I strained it, it got even softer. Like, it looked, it's so soft now. When you first get it, you are not able to run your hand through it like this. You are tangled so bad. So, like I advise, make sure to thin out the wig. If you really want to wear this hair out, like you really want to wear it out, make sure to thin the wig out like I told you to do. Cut some tracks out, strain it. I don't know if you want to do baby hairs. Baby hair probably will look good. I thought I'll go without baby hairs. I wanted to make it look like as coming out my scalp as possible. I don't know. When it comes to blonde hair, it's really tricky. Like, some people can rock it with baby hairs and some people can't. It's really tricky when it comes to 613 hair. So I'm gonna show y'all the parting space. It's like 6 inches. It has, if y'all saw the beginning, so you can part it all around here. So if you want to do the side part, you can do the side part with this hair. I don't know how long. It's come with the middle part already done for you, but I feel like it would have been too much work if I did the side part. It would have been too much. I'm trying to think what else I would think. The hair is real pretty. I like it. I'm definitely gonna wear it out. At first I was like, I'm not going nowhere with this wig. I was like, And I would say thank you, A2Z Wigs. Thank you for sending me this hair. I really like it. Like, after I customized to my liking, I actually do love this hair. Real pretty, like soft. After I strain it, it looks really nice. And I want to say 28 to 30 inches long. So yeah, it's probably 28 to 30 inches long, because I remember I had 28 inches here and it was pretty less long. So the length is between 28 to 38 inch. I'm thinking more of the 30 inches. I did cut some hair out, so I don't know. At first I was scared, but I love it. I'll definitely be wearing it out, maybe for just a day, you know. But I love it. I love this hair. I know I'm about to get stares. I don't care. This is why I need to move to ATL, because y'all be wearing all them color hairstyles and then nobody cares. Like, so this is the finished look, y'all. I love it. Make sure to copy this wig. Thank you, A2Z Wigs, for sending me this. Sending me this from Amazon. Y'all are awesome. This hair is beautiful. I got this hair super, super fast. Like, speed of lightning is really, really nice. So yeah, let me give y'all a 360. Y'all know I have to give y'all that 360. So this is how the hair looks from the front. The side, see how super thin it is, long it is. See how long it is. Super long, super pretty, super cute. Thank you, dolls, for watching. I really enjoy making this video for you, dolls. Make sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on my social medias. Turn your notification on so you can notify every time I upload a video. And let's get it. Thank you, dolls, for watching. Have a blessed day.